This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sergey Diakonu. Welcome to your new home in the Rolling Oaks community that's located right next to the West Klosterman Preserve and just a mile away from the Gulf of Mexico. Enjoy living in an established neighborhood with mature landscaping just minutes away from the famous sponge docks and all of the restaurants and shopping that Tarpon Springs has to offer. This house features a manicured yard with a sprinkler system, hurricane windows with plantation shutters throughout the entire house installed in 2014, water softener and reverse osmosis system, Samsung stainless steel appliances, Ring doorbell and garage camera, spacious enclosed lanai, backyard pergola and more. The house was freshly painted last year and is available for a quick closing. Schedule your showing and submit your offer before it's gone. For more information,